मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Presenting to all of you Abdul's special soda with a dash of lemon. Huh?
Oh, what a massive bob, Jethalal! You broke all of Abdul's bottles.
Everyone in Gokuldham Society is drinking soda and burping. We'll commit our next robbery in Gokuldham Society.
Hope the police doesn't show up, Itto brother.
What happened? Are the police behind us?
No.
Is someone standing with a stick or what?
No. Your lips are below your nose.
Ever since you injured your head, everything is new for you. Lips are always below the nose, you idiot.
Okay, Itto brother. Let us go to the society and rob it.
Comedy, 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 comedy.
Hey, Goli, what are you doing? Let go, let me go. Yay. Friends, let's play hide and seek. Besides, no one can ever beat Goli in kabaddi.
What to steal? What to steal? Huh? Let us steal this.
Yes. Let us steal the aeroplane.
I am talking about the scooter, Duffer.
You are God.
We are safe.
Oh my God!
What happened? Has the scooter's owner arrived or what?
No!
What happened? Is there a big crowd behind us to hit us?
No! You have two eyes!
People only have two eyes.
When did Piri uncle have hair? And why does Madhavi auntie have a boycott? Hey, they are thieves. Catch them. As long as Tappu is here, no robbery can happen in Gokuldham. Let's go, friends.
Oh wow! I'll take this rope. It will be useful for catching the thieves.
What happened?
Huh? These kids are following us!
Huh? Yeah! I'll teach them a lesson now.
Hey, why are you all laughing? me off this scooter.
Golly, catch!
Oh. Wow.
Hey, they ran away with the scooter again.
Hey, brother, can you tell us where is the way out?
It's right ahead. Oh, but your scooter is amazing. I have one just like yours.
Oh, really?
Oh, is it? Oh, look, the number is also same. Hey, this is my Sakharam.
I'll shake the world. Oh.
So, did it shake?
Well, friends, what happened?
Hey, sorry, let's go quickly. Peter's scooter has been stolen.
Let's go.
Hey, take me as well. I'll shake the world.
Oh my goodness me! Tapu, they are stealing villages, that thing, and running away. Are you talking about the scooter, Mom? We know. We are already chasing the thieves. Huh? Come on, Tapu. Don't let them get away.
Ittu brother, the kids aren't giving up on the chase at all.
Hey, Bittu, what are you doing?
So, D, why are we going in circles?
Hey, Jethalal, the world is round and round.
Right, brother.
Let me take a selfie.
Hey, get out of the way!
Move aside.
Hey, there's no one to be seen far behind.
Tapu, what do you do now?
All of you get in a line. 1, 2, 3. My darling son.
Sorry.
The more incomprehensible the painting is, the more expensive it gets.
Mom, call Inspector Chalu uncle quickly. I can't. This morning I spoke to my dear brother Sundar for 2 hours, so the phone's entire balance is finished. What, Mom?
And she used up all the balance of my phone too by talking so much.
Hey, Dayaji used my phone in the morning as well.
Hey, she finished my balance as well.
Huh? Huh? If we get caught, she will finish our balance as well. Hey, what happened? Did you see a snake or what?
No, no,
Then
no.
what did you see? A scorpion?
No, no, no. There are 2 holes in your nose.
Really? Take this.
Stop! Stop!
Oh no! Mom! Oh, Tapu! Don't you worry! Oh, Auntie Dea! You are totally awesome! Thank you, dear Gogi!
Pintu brother, save me!
Tapu's
Oh God!
Hey, you!
Sorry, Uncle. Reverse quickly.
Oh, yeah, of course, Susanna. Oh no! What do we do now?
Hey, hey. Oh no!
Oh my goodness me. Soji, Uncle, try reversing again.
Hey, Sodi, do something quickly. Sodi, hurry up! The train is coming. Hey, Popo boy, what is this Popo, huh?
I'm looking for my dad.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bye
Hey, my Sakharam.
bye. Oh. 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 Ah.
What happened? What happened? Have they just reached behind us or what?
No. Oh. Oh.
Hey, what happened? Is mom coming with a rolling pin or what?
Oh, the color of your eyes is brown.
Do you know what is this called?
Yes, elbow.
If you know, then just bend down.
Oh.
If the doctor asks about it, tell him that. Now let's see how they catch us. Bittu, let us make them slip and fall. Ah.
Okay, to brother. Oh. 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 Oh.
We'll just slip away through the narrow lane.
Sorry, take a left. Left. Hello, take a right. Right.
Oh, wow! Come on, Tapusina! Gogi, bring the rope!
I know, nothing will happen this time. You just keep doing like this. Ah.
Friends, beat them!
Hey, in our time, people used to work hard and earn.
Hey, even in today's time, people work hard and earn, huh? These people are thieves. Thieves.
Thank you, Tapu Sena. Because of you, my Sakharam was saved from being stolen today.
Hey, hello, hello!
Huh? Be careful, Babuji. Huh?
Hey, Shahrukh Khan, you handle yours.
No, I won't drink it.
Tapu dear, you have to drink the milk. Please wait.
No, Mom.
Hey, Jetya, catch him. Hey, caught him.
Here you go, Bapuji. What is this, Bapuji? He ran away again. Huh?
Caught him.
No.
Here, take this, Jetya.
Ah, Babuji. Yeah.
Huh? Hey, why are you drinking milk? Tapu just ran away.
Hi.
I got him.
Hey, Tapula, drinking milk gives you strength.
Gogi, you? And Sonu, you? Both of you? Unbelievable. Today again the entire Tapu Sena was forced to drink milk.
Yuck. We don't like drinking milk at all.
Then why do our parents force us to drink milk?
Because milk comes to the house, that's why.
Idea! From tomorrow, no milk will come to our homes.
Impossible, Tapu.
Don't underestimate Tapu.
Aha!
Yay, Tapu Sena!
Gives me milk, my Buffy, and with a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk with a dark face and red hair. Where did the lion's roar come from?
Go, my dear lime, go.
Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! What is this? Oh, it's just a dog.
Babuji, today also we have to make Tapu Sena drink milk somehow.
Yes, Jetya.
Oh, he's coming.
Attention! Tapu is ready! I will drink milk, drink milk! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mommy! Give me milk!
Tapu, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Papa, I'm perfectly fine. What happened? Huh?
Because today you are asking for the milk to drink by yourself, son.
Grandpa says that drinking milk gives you strength.
Daya, bring the milk.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey.
Here it is. The milk.
Huh?
Here, give it quickly.
Oh, the milk hasn't come today.
What? Then what is there in the glass?
It's empty.
I'm saved.
Huh? Then why are you roaming around with an empty glass?
Tappu's father, if you don't see the empty glass, how will you know that the milk hasn't arrived today?
Uh-huh.
Mom, I really felt like drinking milk today. The milk didn't come today. Let's go play. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Buffy gives me milk, a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk. Huh?
Friends, today our wolf will scare away Uncle Bunsy. Huh?
Huh? Moti! Hey, Moti, my son!
Our plan has failed. Uncle Bunsy turned out to be very smart.
Hey! Hey!
He brought a dog even bigger than our dog.
La 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 la. Moti! Hey, Moti!
This plan of ours has failed, Tappu. We will have to drink milk again today.
To solve the problem, we must go to the root of the problem. Let's go to Uncle Bunsy's stable.
Hey, dear! I love Buffy more than my own children. You also take good care of her, understand? I will return from the village by tomorrow evening, okay?
You go without worry, master. I will take good care of her. Ah.
Did you hear that? Uncle Bunsy is going to the village.
Tomorrow we will kidnap Buffy and take her away.
Yes, if the bamboo's gone, the flute can't play.
What does that mean, Sonu?
It means no buffalo, so no milk.
Yes.
Bathe Buffy every day and don't tie her up. Buffy doesn't like to be tied up.
She's a strange buffalo.
And yes, never call Buffy a buffalo or she will get annoyed.
You should have told me
This first, master.
Oh my goodness, I won't spare you. I am telling you. My name is Harya. Harya. Did you hear me or not, you buffalo? Oh no, she's chasing me.
Huh?
Buffy! Dear Buffy! Oh, how lovely you are! Now the fun will begin. You are throwing me around a lot, huh? Now try throwing me, you black buffalo. Huh? Say Buffy. Don't say buffalo. If I don't call a buffalo, what else should I call it, huh?
Oh no, he tied Buffy up. Tapu, now how will we kidnap Buffy?
Now I will neither bathe you, nor I will give you anything to eat. And I will not untie you also. Just stay tied up here, hungry and thirsty, you damn buffalo.
Friends, we shouldn't kidnap Buffy. We should help her. Yes, But Haria will catch us. Oh, don't underestimate Tapu. Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, all the milk is spilled. What do I do now? What happened? How did my milk spill? Oh no. Huh?
Hey, how did she get free? Kids, where did these kids come from?
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Huh?
Hey, somebody help me! Hey, thank you, Buffy.
You killed me. First, let me tie up this buffalo very nicely. Then I'll teach you all a proper lesson. You devilish kids! Huh? Oh my God, she threw me down again. Today I will not spare you, you buffalo.
Hey, look there! Haria is running after Buffy to beat her up.
Come on, let's run away from here.
No, friends. We have to save Buffy. Let's go. No.
Help!
Stop! You can't hit Buffy.
Huh? After Buffy, it's your turn now. You devilish kids. No!
Get this.
Come on, get out of here! Hey, Gogi, what are you doing? Let's go! Oh man, it's so hot today. Yes, Tapu. Buffy must be feeling very hot too. I hope she doesn't get sick. We should give Buffy a bath.
But how will they bring so much of water?
We can't bring the water here, but we can take Buffy to the water, right? Hey,
Yes.
that's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh no, sorry sir.
Hey, sir, did Buffy go out here?
Yes, but it's been while since she has went out.
How long?
About 5-6 hours.
What? 5-6 hours?
But Buffy left the stable 2 hours ago.
Here it has been gone for 5-6 hours. The heat has made things terrible.
Exactly which Buffy are you talking about? I am talking about Bansi Kaka's Buffy.
Buffy is Buffy. What's the difference between its Bansi Kakas or Pinchu
Hey.
Kakas? Look, the electricity doesn't come, but how high the bill is.
Here I am talking about Buffy. I
Eh?
am talking about the buffalo named Buffy.
No, Buffy, stop! Stop!
Have you seen any buffalo passing by here?
I haven't seen a buffalo leaving, but I have definitely seen a buffalo coming.
Meaning?
Oh, Buffy! Wait. First, let me check if there are any guards around. The moment you see anyone coming, just let me know. Yeah! Teppo, two guards are coming this way. Oh no! Hey Buffy, come on, hurry up! Come on!
Quickly hit this buffalo with sticks and shoo it away.
Hey Teppo!
Wipe up properly. Buffy might catch a cold.
So the buffalo is tied up, and here goes her fans. Hey, where are you running? Oh, Master, these mischievous children have kidnapped Buffy.
Don't you lie, Harya. I have heard everything. You have troubled my Buffy a lot, understood? I know these children have saved my Buffy's life.
Well done, Tapusina.
You have all done a wonderful job, kids.
Harya, I will not spare you.
Stay away, Master, or else I won't spare you either.
This buffalo, with the help of these kids,
Have beaten me badly. I won't spare them.
chutney out of you.
No, Sodi uncle. This is our fight. This is a matter of Tapusina's honor.
Huh?
Yes, you can do this, kids.
What's this? They are all defeated in one go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Hey, haven't you had milk, huh?
Yay! Well, don't underestimate Tappu Sena.
Forgive me, please forgive me. I
I have made a mistake, kids.
Did you see, Tapuda, how much power milk has, huh?
Yes, Grandpa. The entire Tappu Sena will drink milk every day.
Yes, Grandpa.
Promise.